Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new here, and if you're not new here, welcome back, girl. Okay, so today we're gonna get into my favorite affordable gourmand perfumes. About a year ago, I was very new to having my fragrance collection, so I didn't really know where to start, and I didn't really know I was a gourmand girl until I really got into it. Sometimes you have to start purchasing a lot before you realize, oh my gosh, I actually like these type of perfumes. Let's get straight into it. I have to start with goats. The Sabrina Carpenter Sweet Tooth perfumes. Okay, first of all, this is the pink one, it is the brown one. Okay, so this one has the notes of chocolate, vanilla, like you're getting that like caramelly, chocolatey type of gourmand. And this one is like more marshmallow. It reminds me of like cotton candy, whipped cream, marshmallow vibes. I found both of these at department stores like Burlington and Ross for $30, so it's already affordable. And these just smell so good. If you're looking for more of a candy marshmallow scent, I would go with this one. If you're looking for more of a caramel, chocolatey, creamy type of scent, I would go with this one. But these are both super good to have in your collection to start off. Since we're talking about those stores like Burlington, TJmaxx, let's go into some perfumes that I found at TJmaxx. I have this one that y'all know went viral. It's Pralines and Pistachio, and it's just everything. If I had to describe this perfume, I would say creamy, nutty, sweet a little bit, but like not too overpowering. It almost gives like a buttery type of scent. It's so good if you're trying to layer this with anything pistachio or vanilla, if you kind of want to add on to that gourmand vibe. This is so good, and I don't have the tag on this anymore, but I want to say I got this for around like $15 at TJmaxx. It's so good. This one is a little bit hard to find because it went viral. It's not gonna last forever, but it's so freaking good and it's so affordable that you definitely want to go ahead and get this one. Next in line with TJmaxx, I also have this one by the Good Scent. It's Gooey Butter Cake. Oh, it's so freaking good. The scent notes are gooey caramel, whipped pistachio, and vanilla cream. So another one that's giving pistachio, creamy caramel. It's so good. When I spray this one, it literally reminds me of the name Gooey Butter Cake. If you want to smell like a gooey butter cake, this is your girl, okay? It will not let you down. Again, this one I want to say is around like $15, $16, something like that. And you can find this at TJmaxx as well. It's so freaking good. If you want to smell like baked goods, if you're looking for a baked goods scent, that's your girl. And the last fragrance line we're going with is such a good one, and it really never disappoints. Finery. When I tell you, these two Finery gourmands get down, they do not play. I have these two body mists right here. I don't have the perfumes of these yet, but I do plan on getting them because they're so freaking good. First of all, we have Pistachio Please by Finery, and then we have Sweet on the Outside by Finery. If you're looking for something that's similar to the Cali Young Pistachio Gelato, you want something that's pistachio-y, you want something that gives you that vibe that you can kind of layer with vanillas or other pistachio ones, this is so good. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a spray. This one smells pistachio-y, but it also gives like a, this one is more of a pistachio that isn't so much like creamy. I feel like it gets straight to the point. Okay, so the scent notes for this one are pistachio milk, fluffy vanilla, and tonka bean. I'm such a fan of tonka bean, and this is exactly what this smells like. It gets straight to the pistachio point. Like if you want to smell like pistachios and you kind of want to like a, I wouldn't say it's a complete dupe for the Cali Yum Pistachio Gelato, again, because I think that the Yum Pistachio Gelato has a little bit more like a creamy marshmallowiness to it. But if you're looking for something pistachio to even kind of layer with that, this is so good, and I would definitely recommend this. And then our last one, we have a good old Sweet on the Outside. Now for some reason, out of this whole Finery line, I thought because I love Cali Young Pistachio Gelato so much that the Finery Pistachio Please would be my absolute favorite from Finery. I wasn't even thinking about any other ones. This one, Sweet on the Outside, has become like the top contender when it comes to Finery for me. Like I will pack this bad boy for anything. If I'm going somewhere, I'm packing her. Okay, so let's get into the breakdown. So for this, the scent notes are Madagascar vanilla, cacao wood, and smoked vetiver. And people describe this as like a woody fragrance, smoky, hypnotic vanilla. The best way I can describe this, especially for beginners, If you're looking for a woodsy vanilla that kind of will draw people in, it's not giving too much like it's not giving too bakery vibes, it's giving like woodsy vanilla, almost it's like it reminds me of like just a great campfire. If you're looking for something that'll draw you in, it is kind of like a more cozy vibe, then you are looking for a sweet on the outside. This one is so good. Like I said, I packed this I packed this when I travel because I love her. I love her. And I will be getting this in the perfume, like in the full size perfumes. Right now I only have the small size, but I love this so much. And yeah, all these perfumes I feel like are pretty affordable and they're so good. If y'all have any suggestions for any other perfumes that want me to try out or you think I should get, please let me know down below. If y'all like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see your girl a little bit more. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.